Self-determination. Having strong self-determination will help you take in charge of your life. And so I realized, coming from the living situation that I came from, I had to be self-determined to make a better life for myself and my family. And so what I realize is that when you have self-determination, there's some obstacles and some opposition that you're going to face. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is key. How many people y'all know, let's just be real quick, fellas. How many people y'all know right now that when something happened, they blame somebody else? Just raise your hand. They don't have any self-awareness. So they blaming everybody else for their problems. I used to be married, and I went through a divorce, right? And when I went through that divorce, listen, man, a divorce can get very, very nasty. I was self-aware, and I took ownership in my wrongdoing. That's self-awareness. Why did I do what I do? Because I was broken. It was nobody else's fault but mine. So what did I start doing? I started going to therapy. I started making the changes in my life that I needed to make in order for me to succeed.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Listen, man, it's your boy here with Y.B.Normal. Listen, I got some special guests that want to say hey to y'all. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
What does the O stand for? Organized. Being organized means everything has a correct order or placement. The A means adapt, to become. What do you want to become? Who do you want to be in life? What do you want to accomplish? What does it look like to you? You want to be a successful man? What does that look like then? What is your idea of it? Being providable? All right, now we're getting somewhere. I like that. The R is for respect. And for some of you all, you lack it. You lack the respect. You want people to respect you, and you want people to do for you, but you ain't trying to do the same in return. Respect means to recognize the worth of a person or thing, treating others the way you want to be treated.
Love y'all, man.